In this presentation, we will talk about oxygen in the atmosphere. Scientists suggest that the Earth was formed about 4.6 billion years ago, whereas they think that life began 3.4 billion years ago. Some of the theories used to explain how life was formed on Earth suggests that the first simple organisms which are similar to bacteria appeared. So when these first simple organisms, which are similar to bacteria, appeared, life formed on Earth. These simple organisms could use the breakdown of chemicals as a source of energy. Then, about 2.7 billion years ago, bacteria and other simple organisms such as algae evolved. Algae could use the energy from the sun to make their own food by photosynthesis. So this algae will use the energy from the sun. So energy from sun will reach the earth and it will be used for photosynthesis so that they will make their own food. Actually, photosynthesis will produce also oxygen gas as a waste product. And then over the next billion years or so, the levels of oxygen rose steadily as the algae and bacteria thrived in the seas. So algae was making their own food by photosynthesis. However, a side product was produced, which is oxygen gas. And over the years, the levels of oxygen gas in the atmosphere rose. And then more and more plants evolved. All of these plants were photosynthesizing. So they were removing carbon dioxide gas and producing oxygen gas. So we know that plants will do photosynthesis where carbon dioxide, CO2, and water, H2O, will change to glucose, C6H12O6, and oxygen gas. As the plants evolved, they successively colonized most of the surface of the Earth. More plants mean more oxygen, so now the atmosphere became richer in oxygen. And this made it possible for the first animal forms to evolve.